How to share Canva design in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. Sharing a Canva design on WhatsApp is easy whether you want to send an image, PDF or a shareable Canva template link. First of all you have to do is open any web browser. Then in the search address bar, type down the canva.com and navigate to the Canva's official website. Now, once you are inside the Canva, make sure that you are logged into your Canva account. Now all you have to do is choose the template or design. You can simply create a new design or choose the one you have saved. I'm choosing one from the saved. So now in order to share this design on WhatsApp, all you have to do is tap on the share icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Then if you want to share the downloaded folder, then you can simply tap on the download option available. But we can tap on the copy link in order to share the whole design. Then tap on the only access option available and give access to the person if they want to view, edit or simply save the image. I'm simply tapping on the view and copy the link. Then go to the WhatsApp and tap on the text you want to send this link to and paste this link on the conversation and send it. Now whoever tap on this text will be navigated to your design and can view it easily through the Canva's website. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.